Big 12, 9-4 record. They've got 2 left, SEC, Florida, Kentucky, and Carolina. And not so much good news for the ACC.
The snow is not covering where he usually poops. I think he's mad. Or he's playing. I don't know. Oh. He found a bone. Huh. That's funny.